Today, we'll talk about how to use our best momentum strategy with our best indicator during tough market days. Trading is not easy and it will never be. There are times that we have to decide and accept the reality. Let's have a great talk now. We are in the time of trouble. Markets are so shaky and choppy. Even with years of trading experience, I have reduced my trading time. So, what can we do during times like this? Just practice your trading skills with less cash or go back to the simulated trading. Please do not lose your money with these choppy market conditions. Now let's talk about the super coin and starting from the weekly. When you look at the weekly chart, you will see something very interesting. This coin fully fills the weekly imbalance to the tick, a perfect imbalance fill, and now reacts very strongly. Remember this very well. When an imbalance or a gap fully filled, a big reaction is generally expected at first. When you look at the daily charts, you'll notice something else. Price also holding and reacting around this daily SR Philip zone. So basically, weekly and daily charts shows me that buyers are holding the price around this price level, a very reactive price zone. But daily and weekly charts can only give us limited knowledge. We must consult ourselves to do momentum layout. In the momentum layout, you can also notice something great. Notice the imbalances around this price level. 4 imbalance, 4 taps, a multi-supercharge point for us. Now, the last question remains for us. What can we do with all this knowledge and how can we enter the trade? Let's observe this area in the lower time frames and seek for entries. Now, in this low time frame chart, what do you see first? The obvious equal highs at the top. I know that this could be a great target for us. At the bottom, look at what we have, an imbalance and SR Philip area, just like the daily chart. You see weekly, daily, hourly or minute-based charts. Does not matter. We always seek the same price action concepts. This is called fractalism. Now let's observe this area with even closer time frames and talk more about entries. Let's imagine that you are very excited and jump to this first rally. As you can see, the setup failed here. This is a clear loss. But a loss does not mean anything for us. We only care for the end results of 100 trades. Now we have a secondary rally. We jumped this one and this pulled back so deeply. But still, it protects its love. This is a win. But let's accept it as break-even if you want. Then the price rallied strongly enough and we jump to the very late rally. This time a clear win here, a late winner. In any way, there was a clear plus 2% move to catch here. If you struggle with single rallies, just use the yo-yo strategies from the masterclass and divide your risk into smaller pieces. This will relax you and make you give unstressful decisions. Let's imagine now you wanted to make a traditional trade with structural breaks, not using rally or yo-yo. Here is your weak market structure break here. And right after that, you have the first break of structure. This is a structure box from the masterclass. And the clear imbalances give you the entry here. Due to your greed level, you can set up a 3-hour tight trade, or my choice would be 1.5-hour relaxed trade. The end choice is yours. Okay friends, we are definitely in tough trading times. Take breaks and relax. I know that many traders are struggling now. It is very natural. It's not easy to trade nowadays. Time to focus on other things and reduce our risks. See you next time, and please have a great Sunday night.